Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. My name is Shoaib and the voice behind all the videos that you see on this website as well as our official YouTube channel, youtube.com/PMCLounge. Subscribe to us if you haven't done so already. Now, if you have been living under a rock, you might not know that the PMBOK Guide Edition 7 will now be part of the PMP exam. I've said this earlier and I'd like to repeat it here as well. PMP exam is not a test of the PMBOK guide. It's not your class 10 mathematics exam where you read everything in your class 10 mathematics textbook and expect all the questions in the exam to come from that book. That's not how PMP works. PMP exam is based on the ECO, the exam content outline, and we have covered that in the past as well. I'll share some useful links of those videos as well if you want to go over. I'll share the entire playlist actually. But today I just wanted to share that PMI has updated their website to basically notify that from now on, PMBOK Guide, which was always basically a recommended book, a recommended resource for preparing for your PMP exam, Agile Practice Guide is, and there are a horde of other books as well. We at PMCLounge.com also basically refer to some books and recommend them. I'll share a link to that one in the description below. But here, there's an asterisk sign in front of the PMBOK guide, and this is what it says. The exam is based on the PMP certification exam content outline, precisely what I just told you, not the PMBOK guide or other reference books. A guide to PMBOK, basically the PMBOK guide, 7th edition, will now be a reference to inform the development of exam items, and exam items is basically the questions on the exam, right? However, before any validated exam item is added to the exam, which means before any question is added to the exam, there is a very rigorous and thorough review and field test cycle. So some of the questions that you see on your PMP exam are not actually scored, right? So they are basically whatever that they say here, they are referring to this review and field test cycle. The process takes multiple months. So what this means is right now you are going to start seeing questions out of the PMBOK Guide Edition 7 in your PMP exam. It is possible that those questions are not scored towards your final result, but you will definitely start seeing questions over the course of next few months. So sometime in Q2 of 2022, and that's totally speculation. Sometime, that's what I feel, sometime in Q2 of 2022, that's where you will see a lot more PMBOK Guide Edition 7 questions on your exam, and those questions will be the ones which will be scored as well. They will not be your field test cycle kind of non-scoring questions. So PMBOK Guide Edition 7, look for it. A lot of stuff that you're going to see in PMBOK Guide Edition 7 is actually similar to what you already read in PMBOK Guide Edition 6. So don't disregard PMBOK Guide Edition 6 just yet. Don't disregard the Agile Practice Guide just yet. A lot of items in both these books, a lot of topics in both these books are sort of similar. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. We are going to create a lot more videos on Agile, Hybrid, as well as PMBOK Guide Edition 7 if there are any specific topics around PMBOK Guide Edition 7. And you will, in the course of coming months, see a revamp of our website as well as our YouTube channel to kind of, align and have playlists around the content in the PMBOK Guide Edition 7. So I hope you liked this video. I hope you got some information out of it, and subscribe to the channel. We are the #1 free PMP resource out there on the internet, and I will look forward to catching up with you in the next video. Thank you.